Welcome back to Next Gen Wheels. Today, we are diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota Avanza, a compact MPV that continues to earn attention for being practical, affordable, and reliable. The Avanza has always been one of Toyota's best-selling family cars in global markets, and the 2025 model brings new updates in design, technology, comfort, and safety while still keeping that budget-friendly price tag. If you're in the market for a versatile 7-seater that won't break the bank, this might be the vehicle you're looking for. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Toyota Avanza has received a fresh modern look that feels more upscale than ever before. At the front, you'll notice a bold grille design paired with sharp LED headlights and a sportier bumper. The side profile carries clean lines that make it look sleek, while the rear now features redesigned LED taillights and a more aerodynamic finish. The addition of stylish alloy wheels gives the Avanza a confident road presence. Even though it's positioned as an affordable MPV, Toyota has managed to give it a design that feels premium. Stepping inside, the Avanza has always been about maximizing interior space, and the 2025 model continues to deliver in that department. This MPV offers seating for up to 7 passengers across 3 rows. Toyota has made improvements to the seat cushions and flexibility of the second and third rows, making them easier to fold down when you need more cargo space. This makes the Avanza an excellent choice for families who balance between carrying passengers and luggage. On the technology side, the Avanza is not left behind. The dashboard now features a modern infotainment system with a large touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bluetooth connectivity, multiple USB charging ports, and upgraded air conditioning ensure that everyone stays connected and comfortable. Higher trims even come with a digital driver display, push-button start, and enhanced audio systems that make the experience more enjoyable. Practical touches such as multiple cup holders, storage compartments, and rear air vents add convenience for long drives. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Avanza keeps things simple but efficient. Depending on the market, it is offered with either a 1.3-liter or 1.5-liter gasoline engine. These are paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or a smooth CVT automatic. While it isn't designed for high performance, the Avanza delivers excellent fuel economy and a smooth driving experience, which is exactly what most families need. Light steering makes it easy to maneuver in crowded city streets, while the suspension is tuned to handle bumps and uneven roads comfortably. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the Avanza now comes equipped with more standard and available features. Basic safety includes multiple airbags, anti-lock braking, electronic stability control, rear parking sensors, and hill start assist. On higher trims, Toyota offers its Toyota Safety Sense package, which adds features such as lane departure warning, pre-collision assist, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies provide added confidence whether you're driving in the city or on the highway. Now let's talk about the price, which is one of the strongest selling points of the Toyota Avanza. In the United States, the 2025 Avanza is expected to start at around $20,000 for the base model and can go up to about $25,000 for the top trim with all the added features. This makes it one of the most affordable 7-seaters you can buy in 2025. For families who need a practical people mover without overspending, the Avanza makes a lot of sense. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Avanza brings together practicality, affordability, and Toyota's legendary reliability in one package. With its refreshed design, improved interior comfort, updated technology, and enhanced safety, it continues to be a top choice in the compact MPV segment. It's proof that you don't need to spend luxury prices to get a family car that looks good, performs well, and keeps everyone safe and comfortable.